Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. This is Main Street in Asheboro. There's a EMS barbecue today. Yeah, emergency medical services, the fire station guys for our part of our county and so on, and Asheboro, Ashland. Not raining yet. Come on, let me go. Come on, folks. I got the stop sign. Let me go. Big church to the right. We're getting close. We're getting close. Maybe they're all out already. It's 3:40 in the afternoon. I got up late. No, they still got it. I'm going to assume I have to pull in like this. Don't let me run over your toes.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Could you come to this window, please?
Yes, sir.
I wasn't sure if I was still on time.
Yeah, we still got some.
Could I have one to go, please?
Yeah, absolutely. Just one tray?
Just one, please.
Okay. What's your name, sir?
Steve?
Mr. Steve. That'll be $10, Mr. Steve.
The rest is a donation.
Thank you very much, sir. Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
Right out. If you do me a favor, pull up as much as you can, sir.
Yes, I will.
Thank you, sir.
After you go in front of me. There we go. Pull up as much as you can. I want to straighten my car a little bit. I was wondering if, see, the very first time I ever came to this, I had to walk up to it from across the parking down the street a little bit, but and here it comes.
Got one tray?
Thank you very much.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it. Okay. Up, 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 up. Here we go. Now, the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to go back. There we go. Oh, there was a thing there, drive-through. Okay, if you came from the other direction, which most people would. Now, what am I doing? Now, I'll cut this off in a moment. I'm headed back this way, and I'm going to go park in the library parking lot. Because that's the place where I know I can park. This is Worth Street, but the back way into the library parking lot is coming right up here next to the historic landmark. See that white building there? That's a historic landmark. I need to check that out for you guys one of these days. Okay. Now this part is parking for the apartments on the left. And you may recall that I came down here once, and that's the charging station, right? To the left is the library entrance. I believe they're closed now. Saturday. It closed at like noon or 1. And what I'm going to do is this is where I do it. I'm going to pull around. There's the courthouse with a big parking lot, county government, all that kind of stuff. And I'm going to park here to do it. Okay, now, hang on. Okay, now what I did is I took my visor dash cam and I've got it pointing here. This is what they gave me. Now, here's my soda. Here's my cup. I take a little bit of the soda. Put it in the cup, because if I try to eat and talk at the same time, I might choke, in which case I'll need to be able to sip. I'll put the cup right there. And then I'm going to get my own spoon and fork. Now, I'm only going to make this long enough to sample it. Ooh, I already see something I like. Already see something I like. And the taste is good. Hush puppies. People have different formulas. Ooh, this one's good. They sweeten it a little bit. It's warm, not hot, so it's fresh. It's chewy. The crust is a little bit crunchy. Ooh, it's nice. Ooh, I like. Okay, now. If the folks don't mind, I won't touch the sauce. I'm just checking that it's blinking, so I'm sure I'm recording this. Now, so they have hush puppies instead of the brown beans, but they have the coleslaw. Oh, I like it this way. The carrots and the cabbage are chopped up fresh, with a little bit of vinegar. Everybody has their own recipe. Mmm. Mmm. Now they give you this, but they've also, this is chopped style. They've already put some sauce, yep, they've already put some sauce on it. Mmm. Sauce is good. Now, that's to support the Asheboro emergency services. They're associated with the fire department there. That's one of the stations. And Ash is Asheboro. Rand is part of Randolph County. As you know, I live out on 64. Yesterday I heard the EMS wagon go by 3 times. I heard the sheriff's car at high speed once. I live out on 64. Maybe they're going to someplace that's way off of 64, but to get from where they are, like an EMS station, to maybe a country road, the shortest route might be, for instance, to go out 64 first, not try to weave your way through all the streets, and then turn down the shortest country road to get there. That's why I'm reminded about them every day, because they go by every day. Floyd Ramseur, almost, but actually in Franklinville, on 64, is one of the EMS stations where they park them. Excuse me while I talk and eat. But years past, when I went into where they served this up, down below they had a boat. I can see it's just starting to sprinkle. So they're also prepared if there's like a car's gone into a river, they're prepared to go out into the river too. That's part of the services. That's part of what they're prepped for, their equipment. That might be only 1% of what they do in terms of rescues, but they do that too. I remember when I was living in Raleigh, I used to go to a lake, I'm forgetting the name, Harris Lake, in Cary for fishing. I remember when one of the EMS crews came down with they had a couple of boats, and they really did a full-fledged, like it was real. It wasn't, oh, you take this strap off. They went at it like there was somebody out there, a boat had gone down, and a couple of them, they did it so fast it was incredible. But that meant they were practiced up. If you're going to do a rescue, you don't want to be figuring it out. I still remember that because what they did was, they went out to the destination spot on the lake. I couldn't believe how fast they pulled up. It was 2 or 3 boats. They got them into the water, everything, they jumped in them and they were out there. At first we thought it was a real one, but it was a practice. So I'm just talking while I'm eating, so these are the kind of things they do. Oh. If you live out in Kansas, the chances are there isn't too much of that. If you live out in Death Valley, there's almost none of that. North Carolina has a lot of, yeah, it's starting to rain. Has a lot of trees, has a lot of mountains, has a lot of beautiful sand hills, beaches, we've got everything. And we got lots of lakes and rivers. Lots of lakes and rivers. And ponds. So in all parts of the state they have to be ready to do that too. Seems we're concentrating on that, but I was just thinking about it. I gotta put the window up. It's raining. Okay, I'm going to take this home and finish it there. More hospitality. I got to finish the hospitality. Excuse me for boring you. I didn't choke. Now, this food is smooth enough, you notice I didn't need to drink a lot. Can you hear it? Oh, I'm going to get wet going in the house. Okay. I'm going home to finish this. Steve A. 4 just enjoying the Asheboro annual barbecue. I paid them what they asked, and I gave them more for donation to help out, and I do donate to them. Those are the people who come to help you when you get into trouble. Those are some of the people who come to help you when you get into trouble. I'm grateful for all of them that they work at it and that they do it so well. Steve A. Before sings. See you in 73.